Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Karo More Tumi Bina Keda Yal Jaga Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, a very young age, 24 years only, he took sannyas. Why? Taktya Rajalakhi, that is that verse. Bandi Mahapurushati Charanarvindam. That is predicted. The Lord will give up his Lakshmi and will take sannyas and preach. These are stated in the Vedic literature. So this is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. There are many evidences in the Shastras about Sri Chaitanya, the Lord, Supreme Lord, taking up sannyas and preaching. So we accept Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu not only by his uncommon actions, but also on the evidence of the Shastra. You can accept. Not that any rascal comes that I am incarnation of God. No, we cannot accept that. We must first of all see that he is mentioned in the Shastra and he is actually acting uncommonly, which is not possible by any human being. These two things, features, must be, just like Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we accept the Supreme Personality of Godhead. There are many instances he is playing like ordinary man, but at times showing the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Just like in Jagannath Puri, Ratha Yatra festival, sometimes the Ratha chariot will be stuck up, will not move. People draw it, but does not move. Even King Prataprudra engaged some elephants, but the Rath is not moving. And Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would say, all right, let me try. So he would go backside of the car and with his head push it and very easily it will go. This is extraordinary. Even the elephants, big elephants could not draw, but by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's pushing by head, there was no need of drawing it, catching the rope. Similarly, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was performing kirtan, he used to form 4 parties. And each party will see that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is present there. So there are many other things which is not possible by ordinary human being. These things have to be tested. Not very small, insignificant. Just like in India, there are so many so-called incarnation of God, or God, they declare themselves God. But that God is for the fools and rascals, not for any intelligent man. Intelligent will taste it by the description of the Shastra. Sadhu Shastra, Guru Bhak, Tinete Kuriya Oikko. Anything we shall accept through sadhu, devotees. If devotees accept something, that we shall accept. And Shastra, not only devotee accepts, but it is confirmed in the Shastra, in the revealed scripture. Sadhu Shastra. And Guru also will say, yes, it is all right. So, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is accepted by sadhus like Advaita Acharya, Gadadhar, Srivas, Haridas Thakur, in his own. They are sadhus accepted. And Shastra also says, in Mahabharata, in Srimad Bhagavat, in the Upanishad, Puranas, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's name and activities are mentioned. Deyang sada paribhavagnam abhishtadriyam. This verse, it is mentioned in the Srimad Bhagavatam, also in the Ramayana. And Krishna Varnang Tisha Krishnang Sang Panga Astuparsadam Jaggai Sankirtanai Prai Jajanti Sumedhasa. It is mentioned in Bhagavad, 11th canto, that the Supreme Personality of Godhead in this age, Kali Yuga, will be Krishna Varnam, always describing Krishna. He is Krishna, but Krishna Varnam, Tisha Akrishnam. Varna means also category. Just as Brahman Varna, Kshatriya Varna, Vaishya Varna, Shudra Varna. In the horoscope, as we discussed the other day, Jata Karma, after the birth of the child, everything, characteristic, what will be his future, everything is mentioned in the horoscope. So in the horoscope it is stated, Brahman Varna, Kshatriya Varna, Shudra Varna, like that. In which category this child belongs. Even if he is born in a non-Brahmin family, but what will be his characteristic, that is stated. That is called Brahman Varna. Similarly, Kshatriya Varna, Vaishya Varna, so everything is predicted by astrological calculation. So Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is predicted in the Srimad Bhagavatam and other scriptures as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. We do not accept Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu simply because he was a saintly person. There is controversy about Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu amongst the Vaishnava community. Just as the Nimbarka Sampradaya, they say that we accept Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as a great devotee. But we, Gauriya Sampradaya, we say that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, because it is stated in the Shastra. Krishna Varnam Tisha Krishna. He is Krishna in the category of Krishna, Krishna Varnam, just like Brahman Varna, Krishna Varna, the same category. But he is, by complexion, yellow is not Krishna. Tisha or Krishna. Tisha means by the bodily skin. Just like we have different color, different skin, different color. Similarly, Tisha, by skin, is not Krishna, is not black. Tisha, Akrishna. Akrishna means not black. Now, not black means you can accept any other color which is not black. So that there is proof in the Shastra that Lord Krishna has also many colors. Shukla raktas tatha pita. When similarly, when Krishna's horoscope was made by Garga Muni, he said that this child formerly had Shukla raktas tatha pita. He was white collar, he was yellow collar, and he was red collar. So this pita, yellow collar, is also Krishna's another color. Krishna Varnang Tisha Krishna. Here, Tisha Krishna, Akrishna means not black. So not black means you must take the other three, namely white, red and pita. So other two colors in the Satyayuga and Dwapar Yuga was manifested. Red color and white color, white griva, white color. So the pita, Krishna color is also finished, therefore pita, yellowish color. Srila Jiva Goswami has very nicely so Krishna Varnang Tisha Krishnam Sangapangasta Parsadam. And another feature is Sangapangasta Parsadam. Astra Parsadam. Astra means weapon. Then the Kali Yuga, Krishna does not come with weapon. In other yugas, the Lord comes with weapon, just like Lord Ramchandra. He came with bows and arrows to fight with Ravan. Similarly, Krishna also appeared with the Sudarshan Chakra. Because in those days, the demons were killed by weapons. Krishna killed many demons because Krishna has got two kinds of activities. Paritranaya sadhuna, vinashaya duskita. For sadhu, simply to deliver them, and for the demons to kill them. But the result is the same. That is called absolute. Whether Krishna pats somebody and kills somebody, the result is the same. Therefore Krishna is absolute. It is not ordinary fortune to be killed by God. It is a great fortune.
प्रभो दया कर मोरे तुम्ही बिना के समाधारी पतित पावन boy